Hello guys, welcome back to Double J's. So it's me Jeff here. So today in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch for the 44 million version, and it's a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi one. So if you want to watch our old Samsung Galaxy Watch 2 series, click right here, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Double J's and also like this video. I'll see you soon.
So we have the Galaxy Watch 4 here, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, their 4th generation, and they're following the same boxing as Apple Watch and other watches you see. Let's set aside the watch for a second and look at this strap. We got this strap with the watch and it's labeled as a premium strap. And here is the strap. So in the back we got this orangey construction type color in the front, back, and a blue navy blue color in the front, and in my opinion it matches great. Color combination is amazing, and you can see from here that you switch it on, you put it in, you insert it in like so by putting this slider down and then putting it in. Also, you can't forget the user manual, except if you're watching this video. And here's the watch itself. This is the 44mm version, and it's looked extremely big compared to the 40mm version I had before, and I can feel that it's all metallic. And in the back it's following the similar outline.
Alright, now it's time to turn on the watch. Let's wait, and there we go. Now we can see the Samsung logo, and you can see the welcome screen, and you can connect it right now. Take your phone and just place it near and it detects it. And now let's connect and put all the information in, all the numbers, and here's a quick time lapse. Alright, there we go. Now we can see the wearable app, and there's the watch, and let's wait for a few more seconds. There we go, finally. Now we can take a tour, and you can see the screen right now, and you can scroll down, scroll up. Alright, now scroll down and you can see all the important stuff. Then scroll up, you can see all the apps, and when you scroll to the left you can see all the notification, and to the right for the widgets. And there is just side buttons. There are 2 buttons, and also on the back you can see the sensor. Now the watch is ready to use.